Hope you're having a great day. We've all suffered through those presentations where the presenter reads from the slide and we try not to fall asleep in the audience. Well, my plan for this tutorial is to show you how to use the Mix add-in for PowerPoint to create dynamic presentations that will engage your students. Mix is an add-in for PowerPoint, so the first thing that you would need to do is to go to this address, mix.office.com, and then you can sign in. As you can see, you can sign in with a Microsoft account, your work or school account, Facebook, or even with Google. Once you've downloaded Mix, you'll notice that you see it up in the menu bar of your PowerPoint presentation, and there are various options that you can choose. The first one is a slide recording. I used the slide recording for the first two slides that I showed you in this tutorial. This option allows you to record your voice for the particular slide you're working on and stop at any point. So you can do individual recordings. You can add video of yourself presenting using your webcam, and you can also write on the slide. You saw an example of that on the introduction slide. Next option is quizzes, videos, apps. You may choose to add a quiz, a video, or choose one of the available apps. Just think of the possibilities. This option allows you to make dynamic presentations in which the kids aren't just reading a slide, but interacting with it. Huge in the classroom. And think about how beneficial for those students who were absent that day or didn't quite get it and needed a refresher for their homework. The screen recording button is what I'm using right now. I'm recording my screen in order to be very specific about what I want my audience to see. Screenshot is just what it says. You can take a screenshot of anything on your computer and it will automatically be inserted on the current slide. You can preview. Choose this option to see how your mix will look to others after upload to the Mix website. Upload your mix to the website. You may choose to keep it private, or you can share it with your audience for access to analytics on usage and quizzes. Export to video. What you're now watching is a video of a mix that I created. You won't be able to use the interactive quizzes with this option, but it certainly has its place. You can publish to your Office 365 video. So your mix video appears on your Office 365 portal. And then there's options for getting started, sending feedback, help, and the Office Mix update. Here's an example of one of the apps, Khan Academy, that you can easily embed into your mix. So once again, let's think about how valuable this tutorial will be for those students who were absent and those students who needed some reinforcement after they went home. In addition, you can create a quiz. There are 4 options for quizzes: free response, multiple choice, poll, and true or false. Here's an example of what a true or false quiz would look like. Since this is a video, we can't actually see it in action, but when you create the quiz, you choose the correct response. When it goes live, students choose their option and are given feedback as to whether or not they're correct. If you shared the mix, you will see the results at the Mix website. It's that simple. Multiple choice quiz has more options. If there's more than one right answer, choose Allow Multiple Choices. You can shuffle the answers, you can allow students to try again, and or limit the number of attempts. Also, if you click on the light bulb, you can add a hint. Ever wonder what your students are thinking at the end of the class? Choose free response gives students an opportunity to tell you. The little arrow in the upper right corner will allow you to get support, select your object. So let's say you want to delete it. You would need to select it and then you would be able to delete from your slide. That's about it. So go to mix.office.com and start creating dynamic presentations.